I just walked up in the club, I'm finna carry a body, shining like the diamonds on my neck. I body, blessings to be stressed. I body, now them hoes and I ain't worried about my head. Nobody.
Welcome back, my queen steppers. I'm back with another video, and if you're new, keep on watching. I may look crazy right now, but you'll see the finished look. Right here, I'm showing you guys what came in the packaging that they sent me from Alipearl hair. This is a 99J 13 by 4 lace from Wig. I will be reviewing, and this is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful color. Like lately, y'all seen on my channel, I've been walking in the burgundy, and I'm kind of falling in love with it, especially for brown skin girls. And here there's construction of the wig cap, and this wig cap actually also came in there. And this is how it came before I plucked and customized the wig myself. This is how it was. Personally, I didn't like how thick the hairline was. So if you want to pluck it, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. This is how much I plucked out of the wig. And then it's just me with the wig on. Now we're going to get to applying. I always do the Got To Be glue hairspray in the gel. And right now I got a bang, but that's cool, that's cool. So I'm just taking that spray and I'm just going to be gluing down the lace and pressing it in. If you are watching right now, please subscribe to my channel. I'm fun, you know, I'm funny, I'm cool, I'm chillax, you know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. Pressing that in. And they also gave me a adjustable strap, which I've been wanting forever to melt my lace. And I've sprayed that Got To Be free spray one more time, and I lay it down. Dry. I blow dry about 10 minutes, something like that. And now it's off. Combing that hairspray out of the hair so it won't be all crunchy and flaky. And now I'm finna start trimming down my baby hairs. Today we doing dramatic baby hairs. Like, I've been wanting some dramatic baby hairs, and I feel like it'll look good with this hair. This was my first time trying an 8-inch bob wig, so this is very new to me, but I really liked it, enjoyed it, and I really improved on my baby hair skills. I've been bragging about to you guys lately, and like the way these baby hairs came out, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute, and I was like so proud of myself. So thank you to you guys, because if I wasn't doing videos, I probably wouldn't be still getting and improving. Thank you to God too, because he gave me a gift and a talent to do what I love, and that is hair and makeup. So thank you, Jesus. We gotta give God all the praise. So we just swooping out baby hairs. Don't mind me looking in the mirror. I can't hardly see that good into the phone, so I'm gonna be looking back and forth to the mirror and to you guys. So I'm just hot combing the hairs back that I didn't lay down. So right here, I decided to do a side part. Y'all know I like side parts with bobs. For some reason now, I like side parts with bobs. That's just me. Now we're just like laying it down, make sure we got our parts straight and all that. Guys, I'm sorry if I sound like sleepy or anything, but it's like 6 o'clock in the morning and I have not been asleep. I've been watching this new show called Defending Jacob, and I'm just like obsessed with it, but I know I need some sleep. But I had to get this video done, so while I'm sleeping, this could be uploading for you guys. So yeah, because I'm impatient. Like, I can't sit there and watch something upload. Like, I'm impatient. I'll be like, upload. So I do it while I'm asleep. So right now I'm laying down the hair in the direction I want it to go. Make sure it's flat, not bumpy. Never leave your wigs bumpy and like looking crazy, because it would not look right. It'll look like a heel sitting on your head. So now I'm just taking that beeswax and I just mold, really basically molding the hair so it won't look all weird and like going in different directions. That's basically all you're doing, and flattening out the hair. Right now I'm just flattening, ironing. I'm just flat ironing the hair in the direction I want it to go. You know, sometimes it can get misplaced out of the direction you want it to go, and you just want everything to look nice and neat, not over the place. That's basically how you do hair, like with your regular hair. Like, you don't want your hair looking all going different ways that you don't want it to go. We just want feel right, and you won't feel right during the day, and you'll be irritated. So I always do like little flips when I do bobs. So that's what I'm doing right now, and these flips was gorgeous. Like, this is the first time I ever did a flip, and it was just gorgeous. Like, I had to do the gorgeous, you know, it's just the gorgeous curls. Okay, this gorgeous flips. This is what it's giving me. Yes, it's giving me. So now, this was still the deal when I put that powder in that part. I was like, oh yeah, this is cute. Y'all see my little dance? I was like, this is definitely a vibe. I'm starting to like red and burgundy hair on me. Like, it's good for my brown skin curls, I think, because it just brings out our skin color. And I'll put even more powder in the lace too. So I had to slow down this moment, because watch how this flip flow. Watch. Guys, I was so geeked. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I finally did like a cute flip. Like, usually my flips be all over the place. That's what I'm saying. I'm so glad that God is improving me into my dream job. You know, I am living my dream. Matter of fact, let me stop. So I left little pieces out, you know, giving you like little short little sideburns. That's what you could call it. So yes, I'm up here feeling myself, and I give you the dramatic baby hairs. That's what it's giving me. Ooh, yes, work that flip. So pretty. And like I said, this is an 8-inch bob wig, and it's burgundy 99J. So this is very like colorful, like a colorful bob, and it reminds me of my natural hair, because it's about almost the length of my natural hair. So now we're gonna show you the reveal, but this is just showing you how clips be when we be trying to be cute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we are. This is the final look with me with some makeup on. Actually, this is the next day, so that's when my curls look crazy. But I still look cute. Period. So this is giving me very Megan Thee Stallion vibes. You feel me? It was giving me hot girl vibes. You know, just the cute and like brown skin. Okay, we doing it. Love it. Love it. Love the color. I'm gonna leave this hair down in the description below so you guys can purchase this wig. Also, I forgot to review this headscarf. I used it the night before I went to sleep, so your lace won't lift and you can just be secure when you wake up if you have an errand or something, and your hair could be already molded and stayed in place, so you just wake up and be like, yes. I can just go. So yes, we popping. Follow me on my socials down below to keep up with me, your girl Miracle Queen. And I love you guys. I love you, my Queen Steppers. And I'll be back with another video. See you later.
I just walked up in the club, I'm finna kick a body.